Okay. So yesterday I got not problem, doubt from one of my children, that discussion of question paper. So today we are going to discuss the same paper which I have given you on Monday. Clear? Are you with your answer? Do you have your answer with you? All three children? No? Okay. No issues. But the only thing is that, as I always say, please maintain the dignity of the class, then answer it. Okay? No need to shout together. Am I clear to all of you? I think we should wait for a couple of minutes. Let two other children also. Okay. What is the strength of class? 7. Section A, 32. Out of 32, we 14 are here, including me, means we 13 are here. 11 online and 3 are here with me. I think 2 more are, they are from B section. Yes, good morning to all of you. So, screen is visible to all of you clearly. Let's start the class with the question section A, which is objective type of question. Then after we will discuss section C, then section E. Then after, if we will get sufficient time, so we will discuss section B and D too. Because section B and D, you people are very clear about B and D. You know, you need to write only 3 points for the 3 marks and 5 points for your 5 marks. Okay, so let's start. This is known as a remembering based question. Objective means remembering based question. इसमें ना आपको क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करना है, ना सेंटेंस फ्रेम करना है, ना कुछ भी चीज अपने से एप्लीकेबल करना है, अप्लाई करना है. इज इट क्लियर? जो चीज याद है ऑथेंटिसिटी के साथ उसमें उसके ऊपर टिक करना है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज रिमेम्बरिंग क्वेश्चंस. Under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru, the Lahore Congress session of 1929 formalized the demand of dash. Yes, Purna Swaraj is right answer. Purna Swaraj is right answer. Who established the organized the depressed classes association? Louder, you can participate here. You are the part of this class. Option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is right answer. Mili का आंसर बाद में पढ़ेंगे हम. Which of the following aspect best signifies the image of Germania? Heroism and justice. Yes, heroism and justice. Children, all of you are unmuted. Unmute किया ना मैंने सबको? Yes. I know Mili is facing problem for mic. Rest of you can unmute yourself and participate in the class. Divyansh Katrela, आपको क्या हो गया? Why you are not answering? Okay. Next. The other name of slash and burn agriculture. Zooming. Primitive farming. Zooming, primitive. Shifting. Milpa. So many names are there. So it is open-ended question. Whatsoever you are knowing, write down. Dash is a system where a single crop is grown. Plantation. See it and answer it. Public sector, NTPC, TISCO, Bajaj Auto, Nalco. Public sector.
Option C, private sector Bajaj.
Public sector is Nalco.
Yes, ma'am. We have to match the correct pair.
First, fourth, Nalco. Second, electric power generation. NTPC.
Bajaj Auto.
Yes. Private sector.
किसको?
मैम एनटीपीसी
एनटीपीसी का पावर जनरेशन है एनटीपीसी।
I think so.
प्राइवेट सेक्टर बजाज ऑटो, स्टील मैन्युफैक्चरिंग
इसको
टिस्को।
किसको?
So the code would be A4, B2, C3 and D2.
Black soil.
Okay, black soil is right answer. Black soil is ideal for growing cotton. Okay, before going ahead, let me tell one more thing. In your answer sheet, if you will write, what you're supposed to do is question number 1, A, 3, C, 2, A. That is absolutely wrong pattern of writing answer. If you're writing A, write the right answer 2. And in board, checkers will cut your whole question in a single line. See the
Ma'am, but if we have written that the correct option, then also they will cut.
Yes, it will cut if you not write your answer properly. If you write only 3A, चेकर्स के पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता कि वो क्वेश्चन पेपर लेके टैली करे कि ए में कौन सा ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है, ठीक है? इसलिए आप
Okay, ma'am.
थोड़ा सा अपने पेन और हाथ दोनों को तकलीफ देना है। 3A भी लिख रहे हो तो उसके साथ में लिखो heroism and justice. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
And pack your bags. 1st of March, all of you are going to come here. Next question. Resources which are surveyed and their quality and quantity have been determined from organization are?
developed resource.
Ma'am, develop resource. C.
Yes, option C, developed resources. Which one of the following is a leguminous crop? Pulses is right.
Yes.
Political outcome signifies a accountable and responsible government, military rule, legitimate government, restricted popular participation.
Option D. 1 and 3.
ऑप्शन डी 1
Ma'am,
and
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 3.
2 में मिलिट्री रूल है बेटा, आप चाहोगे मिलिट्री रूल?
No.
देन मिलिट्री रूल ओनली कब होता है? मार्शल लॉ या फिर कब होता है?
Ma'am, option D.
ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट आंसर, फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड.
Yes, first and third.
What are the basic objectives of a federal system? One by one, not together, okay?
There is two or three types of government.
There is a 2 or 3 types of government. Tier. Okay, anyone else?
Each types have their own jurisdictions.
Yes. Yes, anyone else? I'm waiting for your answer, children. What are the basic objectives of federal system? Here we got 2 answers from Arjun and Viram, that more than one tier of government, two or more than tier of government, and each tier has their own jurisdiction. Something else? For 1 mark only. This is the basic thing you need to very particular about this, that is mark.
Ma'am, to safeguard and promote unity in the country.
फेडरल सिस्टम में
Yes, ma'am. It is dual objective.
इस डबल ऑब्जेक्टिव है, but if you're writing only one for 1 mark, the basic thing in federal system is, as Arihan told, there is a more than one tier of government. That is basic objective. If you want to add one more point, you can add whatever you want. अदरवाइज बेसिक पूछा है तो सबसे बेसिक ये है कि फेडरल गवर्नमेंट उसी को बोलते हैं जहां पे क्या होता है, गवर्नमेंट के टायर्स डिवाइडेड होते हैं, या फिर डायरेक्टली हम कह सकते हैं सेपरेशन ऑफ पार्ट से रिलेटेड होता है. इज इट क्लियर? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द कमिंग टुगेदर फेडरेशन? यस प्लीज
When
लाउडर.
states come together to form a bigger unit is known as coming together federation.
इज इट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन?
Ma'am, we can directly say that when different states come together to form a nation.
When what?
Different states.
Different states come
To
together
form a nation.
to
To form a
nation.
nation.
Hmm.
is example.
Yes. Okay. Define union list. In such type of question must write an example. At least एक example तो यहाँ पे लिखे. Define union list.
When it is the list provided to the central government. In this list, there
It
is
is list provided to the central government. To the central government. No. अरे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को लिस्ट कौन प्रोवाइड करेगा? मैं मीन्स वी द पब्लिक? नो, वी नेवर प्रोवाइड एनी लिस्ट टू सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट.
Ma'am, this is the jurisdiction of central government.
Concept is not.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, the union list is a list of which has the main subject as national importance,
Yes.
which includes national defense, foreign affairs, banking, communication, etc.
Exactly. Right answer. Which tier of government has the power to run union territories?
Central government.
Absolutely right answer.
Central.
Read the given data and find out which language has the highest proportion of speakers.
Telugu. Option B.
Option B.
Yes, Telugu. Now, read
Ma'am, this is a type of case study.
this one or the question
Yes.
number 13.
Question number 13.
Yes, it's a type of case study because paragraph is given and related to paragraph we need to answer it. No doubt it's an objective type of question. Okay, so read it properly within 30 seconds, then after I will ask question. वहां से दिख रहा है आप लोग को या फिर थोड़ा?
Ma'am, C.
Yes, option C.
How are checks
Ma'am,
beneficial against demand deposits? And you are saying there is a direct settlement of payments without the use of cash. Option C. Okay. Now need to justify your answer because read the option B also. Checks are linked to the working of modern banking system.
ma'am, but option B and option C both can come.
अच्छा.
मैम बी कहाँ से आएगा? उसमें बेनिफिट कहाँ दिख रहा है उसका?
Yes, ma'am.
That we have to compare demand deposit with checks.
Yes.
So in option number C, it is written that without use of cash, we can pay by checks.
Ma'am, this is the benefit.
So that is the benefit.
Yes, it is known as
Option C.
explanation of your answer. So the right answer is option C. A situation in which more persons are employed on a job than are optimally required.
B.
Option
Ma'am, option B.
Sky is unemployed.
Yes.
Option B.
Anyone of you can define all these four types of unemployment: structural, disguised, cyclical, and seasonal. Structural unemployment. मेहुल, वीरम, अच्छा मतलब हमने आंसर टिक किया इसलिए हमको याद है. नाउ ओके गूगल,
Disguised का बस पता नहीं.
क्योंकि हमने टिक किया है. Yes, children. Structural unemployment. देखो अभी टेक्स्ट कैसे आएगा. Yes, I am waiting. Who is this OJ? कोई है क्या हमारे क्लास में OJ? पूरा दिव्यांश,
Ma'am, when it fails to generate the jobs to the people,
When it fails to generate jobs to the people,
the job.
it's structural unemployment.
Yes, ma'am.
Later on, I will tell. Now, disguised unemployment. All of
Ma'am, where the people are more but the jobs are less.
And where the people are means they are not getting the job which they are willing to do or the payment.
Ma'am, extra people and
Extra people are working in one place.
yes, for a single job, more people, जितनी जरूरत है उससे ज़्यादा लोग वहाँ पे काम करें. This is known as disguise. What is cyclical? As per its name, very clear it is. Cyclical means जो चलते रहता है. हाँ, yes, Viram.
Ma'am.
Like nowadays, in some institution, what they are doing is for 1 month they are installing some employees and then they have 1 month leave. So cyclically, 1 month they are employed and another month they are unemployed. This type of employment can be
For a particular
That will come in seasonal, I guess.
Yes, ma'am. For this particular time of work is called seasonal. But cyclic, ma'am, can I tell?
yes, please, cyclical.
Ma'am, when the person is willing to do a job, but he is not getting an opportunity to do it.
ये cyclical हुआ.
Yes.
नहीं.
ये अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट होता है.
साइक्लिकल क्या होगा? साइक्लिकल मतलब समझ में क्या आ रहा है आपको? व्हाट आर यू गेटिंग एग्जैक्ट वर्ड फ्रॉम द साइक्लिकल? यस, हाँ सही बोल रहे हो. साइकिल होना मतलब बार में घूमते रहना, है ना? सो देयर इज अ वेरी स्लाइट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द सीजनल एंड साइक्लिकल. चलो इतना हिंट दे दिया, आप बताओ. आयुष,
Don't know.
don't know. Honest answer.
Ma'am, no idea.
Okay, I am going to saying about
I try.
रियांशी, म्यूट करो अपने आप को. There is a very slight difference between the cyclical and the seasonal. साइक्लिकल में क्या होता है? वो एक जॉब करता है. आपने ये देखा है, द वर्कर्स हु सपोज टू डू वीकली मार्केट,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? ये साइक्लिकल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट होता है. एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे वो घूम के वही जॉब करता है और कुछ समय के लिए अनएम्प्लॉयड हो जाता है. बट द फार्मर्स, दे आर सीजनल इन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. वो पर्टिकुलर सीजन में ही उस काम को कर सकते हैं. सपोज farmers can sowing seeds on their fields in particular monsoon season and harvest in particular time. So it is a seasonal unemployment. But cyclical unemployment, एक particular day में वो जा रहा है, कर रहा है, फिर बाकी दिन वो खाली बैठा हुआ है, फिर वो जा रहा है, कर रहा है. That is cyclical. Is it clear to all of you now?
Yes.
Is it clear? Darshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. HDI stand for Human Development Index that focuses.
Ma'am, D.
All of this.
All of the above.
Yes, all of the above. Life expectancies, gross enrollment ratio for 3 levels of schooling, national income. इसमें भी बहुत कंफ्यूज होते हो आप लोग. Assertion and reasons.
Both are true and A is correct explanation.
Yes, ma'am.
A,
Ma'am, option A.
A is correct explanation of
R.
R.
R is correct.
Sorry, R is the correct explanation of A.
Yes.
Ma'am, A.
Different development goals. Our society consists of both rich and poor people. Thus, development of rich persons may not be the development for the poor. Exactly. Now, let's solve the section C. Thereafter, we will discuss on section A. Oh, sorry, B. कौन है? Who is this Vipin?
ऋषभ था।
ऋषभ तो ऋषभ बाफना के नाम से आया हुआ था,
वो अपनी का से नहीं शेयर करते
ये ना ऋषभ बाफना। And immediately left the class also. Okay, please read out.
Socially and politically, a landed aristocracy was the dominant class on the continent. The members of this class were united by a common way of life that cut across regional division. They owned estates in the countryside and also townhouses. They spoke French for purpose of diplomacy and order in high society. Their family were often connected by ties of marriages. This popular aristocracy,
This powerful
this
aristocracy.
powerful aristocracy was, however, numerically a small group. The majority of the population was made up of peasantry. To the west, the bulk of the land was farmed by tenants and small owners. While in Eastern and Central Europe, the pattern of landholding was characteristic by vast estates which were cultivated by serfs.
Yes, it is from your history book. Okay. Now answer the following questions. Which was the dominant class of the continent of Europe?
Option C, landed aristocracy.
Yes,
Option C, ma'am.
landed aristocracy. What did the majority of population comprised of?
Peasantry.
Option
Option
C.
C.
Peasantry.
Option C.
The given passage describes the social and political life of the class.
B.
Option B.
Class.
Yes.
Ma'am, aristocracy and middle class.
Yes. Option B, aristocracy and middle class. Aristocratic class used to speak French for the purpose of.
Diplomacy and high
A. Ma'am, option A.
Yes, option A, diplomacy and in high society. Now, I am giving you 2 minutes, read it carefully, then after we will solve it. Sambhav in which section? In our section? Section A. Sambhav? You are facing problem in such section, na beta? Sambhav? सबके सब
class में.
done? Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
questions. Most of the basic need for food, shelter and clothing are obtained from
Land.
land is
And
completely correct.
A.
Option A, land. Deforestation due to mining have caused severe land degradation in the state of.
Ma'am, Punjab.
No, Punjab is wrong answer. Jharkhand is right answer. You can see here.
Mining.
Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh,
Jharkhand,
Odisha.
Odisha.
दिख रहा है यहाँ से लिविंग डीप स्कैर्स एंड द ट्रैक्स ऑफ ओवरबर्डिंग इन स्टेट लाइक झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़, एमपी एंड ओडिशा. ठीक है, एमपी ओडिशा नहीं है, झारखंड है, तो राइट आंसर वुड बी झारखंड. यहाँ पे आप लोग गैस वर्क मत करना कि पंजाब हो सकता है, यूपी हो सकता है. ओवर
Ma'am, A.
yes, over irrigation is responsible for land degradation due to the following reasons.
Deforestation and overgrazing.
Yes.
Ma'am, A. Option A.
Option A, deforestation and overgrazing. Human is considered as the main culprit for land degradation because.
Ma'am, all.
Option D.
Option B.
Yes, option D, all of the above. Now take 1 minute to complete. Read this carefully. Then after we will
Ma'am,
solve.
how many case studies will come in the paper?
Sorry,
How many case studies will come?
4 from all 4 sections: history, civics, geography, and economics. That's why.
Ma'am, means we are getting 16 marks free of cost.
Yes, 16, not 16, better 37 marks. 16 from objective.
हाँ, MCQ fill in the blanks and all become. हाँ.
पास हो जाएगा तो दर्शन चिंता मत कर.
And 5.
If we,
Recording is going on, beta.
this I use.
गया, पढ़ लिए?
Yes.
Now let's continue. Democracy is based on, now need to give your
Option
answer.
A.
Political equality and that all individuals have equal right to choose their representative. Yes. Does democracy hold its purposes?
Yes,
Yes, it's all.
Yes, it holds.
Now,
Option A.
justification for this answer.
Ma'am, its purpose is to accommodate social diversity and run with majority rule, supporting with minority.
Okay. Yes, Darshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Now justify your answer. You told yes, it holds. Now I want to listen reason.
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Yes, that's why I'm asking. If you are saying yes, it holds. So I would like to put an example. So why in our country this Kisan protest is going on? Sometimes we the people supposed to protest against the government. Why? If it is holding so, if you are telling that option A is correct option, yes, it holds. Does democracy hold its purposes? So the right answer would be sometimes yes and sometimes no. Sometimes it happens कि democracy cannot able to maintain its purpose. So right answer would be sometimes yes and sometimes no. Okay. What is the present scenario of the society?
Option C.
Option B. Option C. Option B, C.
A, B, C, D चारों मेरे को आंसर मिल गए यहाँ पे.
The rich have become the leader of the nation.
What is the present scenario of the society according to this paragraph?
Oh. Option B. I think so.
Time to read the paragraph properly.
Ma'am, it's very big.
Option B is the
Democracy is based on political equality in all individuals and equal right to their representatives. But along with its political equality, we can see growing economic inequality among the individuals. A small number of ultra-rich enjoy a highly disproportionate share of wealth and economics.
Ma'am, what is the correct answer?
The rich have become the leaders of the nation now.
option B.
Option C.
Small number of ultra-rich. Yes, option B.
Option B.
Option B, a small
Yes.
number of ultra-rich enjoy a highly disproportionate share of wealth and incomes. See the next question. Why are the democratic governments not keen to take up questions of poverty? Why are the democratic governments not keen to take up the questions of poverty?
Ma'am, A या फिर B.
Yes. तो आपका क्वेश्चन सही भी हो सकता है या फिर गलत भी हो सकता है.
It's B, A.
The governments are under pressure of big guns and let them do what they like.
Ma'am, option number D.
D.
They are insecure.
A तो कभी भी नहीं होगा.
B भी नहीं होगा. Interesting नहीं है.
हाँ, they are not interested in solving such petty.
C भी होगा नहीं. एजेंडा किसके लिए होगा?
Ma'am, so D.
एक मिनट, C स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑप्शन है क्योंकि हर समय नॉट ऑल द टाइम इन देयर एजेंडा पॉवर्टी इज देयर मेंशन है ना. पॉवर्टी को बहुत टाइम पे क्या किया जाता है, इसको मैनिपुलेट करके कभी कास्ट बेसिस में बना देता है रिजर्वेशन में, कभी किसी चीज में बना सकता है. हमारे देश की बात करें हम डेमोक्रेसी की, तो ये हमको देखने को मिलता है कि बहुत बार पॉवर्टी शब्द नहीं यूज होता, उसको बहुत ज्यादा मैनिपुलेट कर दिया जाता है ना.
Option D.
They are insecure and do not want to put hands on acting nervous. नहीं.
keen to take up though poor construction have a large proportion of water, yet the democratic are not keen to take up question on quality. Option
C.
जो
Option B.
poor constitute
Ma'am,
a
option A.
proportion of voters, yet the democratic governments are not keen to take up the question of poverty. The situation is much worse in some other countries. Sometimes they find difficulty to meet their basic needs. ऑप्शन ए। आप लोगों ने क्या लगाया कॉपी में वो बोलो। The government are under pressure.
Ma'am,
ऑप्शन ए तो नहीं होगा दर्शन, कंफर्म है। क्या बोल रहा है? व्हाट आर डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट नॉट कीन टू टेक अप द क्वेश्चन ऑफ पॉवर्टी।
मैम ऑप्शन बी।
बी भी नहीं होगा भाई, स्पीकिंग में
option D.
दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड, तो बोल ही नहीं सकते, इंटरेस्टेड वर्ड बोल ही नहीं सकते। आप कैसे बोलोगे किसी भी सरकार को कि इंटरेस्ट नहीं है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने में? उसी दिन सरकार
Ma'am, option D.
दे आर
Option C.
Option C is right answer. This is not in their agenda. They can say that कि in our agenda before filling the form of any particular constituencies, they have to put their agendas in front of election commissioner. You know, ऐसे फॉर्म भरते समय उनको रखना पड़ता है एजेंडा, अपने 5-year plans जो होते हैं वो बनाने पड़ते हैं। ठीक है, तो वो कह सकते हैं कि हमारे इस साल की जो हमारा 5-year plans है उसमें ये हमारा एजेंडा नहीं था। Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Billy, what you think about this? I'm not getting your answer. Ayush,
Yes, ma'am.
put your opinion.
मैम समझ नहीं आ रहा है थोड़ा सा।
हाँ,
Answer दे हो जाएगा।
हिंदी में डिस्कशन हो रहा, समझ नहीं आ रहा। अच्छा, हम इंग्लिश में करेंगे।
मैम आई डोंट।
So the option C is right answer. Okay. Now read the given paragraph carefully.
Ma'am, option A.
पढ़ लिया तुमने पैराग्राफ?
ऑप्शन है यस मैम।
No. Wait. Read.
What is the most essential requirement for taking loan from?
Yes, ma'am. Collaterals and
Yes,
security.
ma'am, option A.
Collateral security.
अच्छा, ये एक आयुष ये बताओ कोलेटरल।
No, ma'am. From informal services. I thought there was formal services.
Services. What is the most essential requirement for taking loan from informal services?
Ma'am,
Collateral.
none above.
Yes, none of these. आप क्या समझ रहे? Collateral security.
Yes, ma'am. None of the above.
करके लेना, तो वो तो और गलत हो गया ना। So none of the above होगा यहाँ पे। SGH is a group of people usually belonging to
Nearby.
ऑप्शन सी।
yes.
वन नेबरहुड।
Option B.
Yes, option C, one neighborhood having some social and economic backgrounds. Now, what facilities do the members have who are in the same group? What facilities do the members have who are in the same group?
Option B.
Ma'am, no facilities.
Facilities are there. They can take a
Option
small,
B.
yes, option B.
Option B.
They can take a small loans from the group. It's
Ma'am, option A and option D are similar.
Yes, ma'am.
option A.
Just the wordings are.
Option A.
D.
हाँ,
Ma'am, B.
yes. So the answer is B. मतलब CBSE कितना चालाक हो गया है। Option B. They can take small loans from the group itself to meet their needs. Sometimes it happens. आप अपने सराउंडिंग्स में देखो, कई बार क्या होता है घर में कैश नहीं होता। सॉरी, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग कि पैसे नहीं होते, घर में कैश नहीं होता तो क्या होता है, अगर हम सेम कम्युनिटी के लोग हैं और सेम कम्युनिटी के लोग हैं हम साथ में, है ना, तो क्या होता है कि अभी तुम दे दो, शाम को हम रिटर्न कर देंगे। फाइन, कंटिन्यू।
मैम ए नहीं सॉरी बी, ऑप्शन बी 26.4.
What benefits are there for SGS that is regular in savings? Option D.
D, हाँ.
D.
They are entitled to raise loan from bank in the same of SHG. देखा कितना कंफ्यूजन हुआ अभी?
Ma'am, this can misuse also.
हाँ होता है misuse. Now this one, if you are very clear about the political map of India, as Mili asked me to do once again political map of
Ma'am,
India.
B is Amritsar.
Yes, ma'am. A is
The place where the Indian National Congress session 1920 was held in September.
छत्तीसगढ़ में अंदर कहाँ होता है?
A बोला गया है ना?
सॉरी, वो कोलकाता सेशन है.
Yes, ma'am.
ये वैसे भी छत्तीसगढ़ में नहीं कोलकाता में
हाँ,
जाता.
ma'am. कोलकाता सेशन.
The place where the Jallianwala Bagh incident took place.
Amritsar.
तो 2 नंबर का
अमृतसर।
अमृतसर करना, पंजाब नहीं करना, पंजाब ब्रैकेट में करना. जब भी ऐसे करोगे ना तो जो मेन प्लेस है उसको पहले फोकस करना, सब टाइटल या जो भी देना उसको ब्रैकेट में डालना.
नोएडा. मैम ये बेंगलुरु.
नोएडा.
बेंगलुरु.
बेंगलुरु.
नोएडा बेंगलुरु में है.
नहीं.
नहीं ना.
कुछ भी
दिल्ली के
मैम
ऊपर
उत्तर
में,
प्रदेश,
दिल्ली के
दिल्ली और
बाजू में.
उत्तर प्रदेश। हाँ यस मैम,
कहाँ से बेंगलोर भेज रहे हो भाई?
वही तो
यार
भाई।
विरम,
अगर आपको याद होगा तो इसके ऊपर अक्षत ने बहुत वो किया था आर्गुमेंट. फाइनली यूपी. यूपी इज राइट आंसर. दिल्ली और यूपी का बॉर्डर है वो, ठीक है. उसके बाद है विजयनगर एंड आयरन एंड स्टील प्लांट. विजयनगर.
प्रदेश. Might be.
Annotation is free for all. If you want, you can also come here and annotate. If anyone of you want, you can annotate.
Room number 8.
For 4th period, it's fine. Okay, you can annotate, beta.
विजय
ये आपका
आंध्र प्रदेश.
annotation है, आप annotate करिए यहाँ से.